Guys, so here's a picture of the items that I used. The only one I didn't use was the edge brush that has the rat tail on the end, and on the next slide it will be in words of all of the things that I use. I will also put it in a description box as well. Welcome to my channel. It's your girl Allie. This channel is about hair beauty and inside and outside beauty. Okay, so today I'm going to be doing a video on a lace front wig. It's a Honey 88 whole lace, all hand tied. Okay, it's Brazilian hair blended. Okay, so it looks like this. This is the package that I'm going to be using. You guys, today I paid what, $69.99. I am a little nervous because I never used the Honey 88. I never used this brand before, so you guys, you're going to be trying it out with me today. So I'm going to dive in and just do this one and a half. You can do a center part, you can do a side part on the left or the right. It basically showing you right here in the demonstration on the side. And the color, oh sorry guys, I'm gonna also put all the details about this hair in the bottom in the description box as well. Also put it in an extra slide. And this color for this one would be a SP430. Okay, all right you guys, so let me just kind of like show you guys the hair, and also welcome everyone that is into my video today. Welcome, and I welcome you back again. And if you would like to see any more videos that I will actually be posting soon, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to like, and don't forget to share this video to many people who may like or may want to see how to do certain things, because we're here to help you guys, and I just want to be here to show you things that I have learned so it can help you. Okay, and also welcome back to all of my subscribers. So all right, let's dive into explaining and showing you everything. And also I'm going to be bleaching my notch for my lace front. So this is just a tag, and this is the hair. As you can see, let's take it out of here. Let's take all this out. Alright, ooh, y'all can see. Yeah, it's a lace front. And in the inside, I just want to show you, it do come with a little lace in the back, but it's not fully all the way around. I think I might keep that part, but I definitely will take out the comb, because I feel like I really don't need the comb. So if you don't need it, you don't have to keep it, you know. So in my mind, I think I'm gonna just go ahead and take the comb part off of here. I'm gonna just go ahead and take that off because I don't need it. And I have three combs on here. Okay, so I'm gonna just take that off. And yeah, I'm gonna dive in. So as you can see, this is how the lace front look right here. And this is the hair. Oh my goodness, you guys, I am so far just touching the hair, and it feels good to me, you know. But all right, so what I'm getting ready to do is I'm gonna go ahead and reposition the camera and get ready to show you guys how I'm going to bleach my lace front and go through the details of everything. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that real quick and show you guys how I do that and all the process, and we'll be back to talk about more stuff. All right. Okay, you guys, I am done. Just wanted to do something basic. I really didn't want to take out no baby hair or anything like that. But I'm loving the hair so far. We'll see how it go. And today also I meant to mention I am actually using a new adhesive to my hair. So this is the Wonder Lace Bond, latex free, waterproof. We'll see. It says extra hold, so we'll see. Extra hold. So this is what it is, and we'll see. For 10 bucks, we'll see how it works. This is pretty much it. I usually do something really basic, you know, if I'm not really like going anywhere. So this is pretty much it. We'll see how this work. So your girl gonna be going to work out and see how long this lasts, and yeah, give you guys a review of how so far I like the hair, the Brazilian hair. You just see the back, like the curls, and it feels so soft. Really don't want to like go through it like that, but I really like it. It's pretty much it. That's pretty much it. So you guys, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit that like button, and don't forget to share this video, you guys. And I will see each and every one of you tomorrow, which is Wednesday. Bye.